Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Valentine's is right around the corner and I know a lot of you are excited for it. So in today's video is my pink makeup look for Valentine's Day. If you're curious how I get this look, then keep on watching. And today is like cloudy, so I need extra light, so I am on the first floor, so I have to open the curtain, and if anyone walks by they can totally see me doing this, and it feels weird. And because I just washed my hair, my skin was really dry, so I have to prime my face with the fresh vitamin Nectar glow water. If you focus, there we go. I just love this so much, and the bottle just looked really beat up from the traveling. And for the actual primer, I will go into the Tatcha silk canvas. I know that they came out with the smaller version, so if you guys want to try, this is a good chance. It's like 20 bucks. And I heard that the e.l.f. make a dupe version, possibly it's 8 bucks. I do want to try that one, but I still haven't come across to e.l.f. counter yet. Next is I'm gonna conceal my mustache with the Cover FX Correct Click in Peach. But this one only works when I'm this light. If I'm darker than this, it won't work. And now for foundation, I'm going into the TooFaced Born This Way foundation, and I will mix the NYX color correcting primer in green with this. And today I'm gonna use the foundation brush to blend my foundation in. And for the concealer, I will go into this Fenty Beauty in 310. I forgot to wet my brush. And when I say brush, I mean sponge. And yes, I had a chance, so I picked up the Fenty Beauty powder in Banana, and I'm gonna use it under my eyes. Looking really good. And now I'm gonna set the perimeter of my face with the shade Honey, with the expensive fluffy brush that I love. This can be like a pre-contour. And now with the same brush, I'm just gonna go into the Hourglass finishing powder here. This is Ambient Edit 4 palette. Okay, brows are done, and my lips are like dessert right now. I need to put something on. And for today's look, I'm gonna be using the Norvina palette here, because I think this is the most pinkish palette that I have. I'm gonna go ahead prime my eyes with the Fenty Beauty Eye Amplifier. So I just zoom you guys in so you can see a little bit better. I think I'm gonna start with the shade called Love, which is this one. Ooh, just this one here. It's perfect shade name for this season, right? And I'm just gonna put that on my crease. Stamp it in. And with the same brush, I'm just gonna blend that out. Fade that shade out a little bit. And then next I'm gonna go into Wild Child with finger, and I'm just gonna stamp it on the lid. Okay, now I'm just gonna add a little bit of dimension, so I'm gonna go into this shade called Passion, which is here. Placing that on the outer V. And for my lower lash line, I'm just gonna put Passion. And I think I wanna go into Dreamer for my inner corner highlighter. That's pretty. A little bit on the highest point of my brow bone, of course. And now I'm gonna finish the rest of my eyes off camera. You know, mascara, lashes, and I will be right back. Okay, my eyes are done. I just put a little bit of mascara and that's it. And now we are back out away from my face again. It's time for the bronzer, and I'm gonna go with Milani Baked Bronzer. This is in shade This is in shade Soleil. I think I'm not gonna contour today, just bronzer. And for the highlight, I'm gonna go into this Smashbox Holidaze and contour palette. And I'm going into this pink night tie, which is in the middle top row. The camera doesn't do justice. And I just top up a little bit with the, what you call, Pearls Gone Wild, just on the highest point of my cheekbone. Add more pink. And for the blush, I'm just going into this Hourglass Ambient Light Palette, Edit 4. I'm just going into this light pink. And for lipstick, I think I only have one pinkish lipstick that I brought with me, and this is the Smashbox Holidaze Collection Always On Liquid Lipstick in Babe Alert. And this is the finished look. What do you guys think? If you like this video, then give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would be really supporting, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.